Hey guys, thought I'd do something different here and show you a cold start of the 68 Suburban. It's been under the deck for about 3 weeks. It's froze to the ground, it's got the bags on it and stuff, so figured I'd do a cold start for you. Bag there. Oh yeah, she's cold. Figured I'd show you this part of it too, so you can see that it's been sitting down here untouched, and I'll show you how good she can start. Alright, let me switch sides here. Choke. And let's see what happens. Ooh, it's cold, boys. Ooh, you can feel that oil's really thick in there. It's been about 3 weeks. I'm going to take her in the garage and put that grill piece on that I bought. So there it is, guys. 3 week cold start.